We have to give credit when it's due. The Orlando Pirates media team is over working, and they are doing a good job. The Bucks Camp 4-pit series is just magnificent. The stories told in a player's perspective, and it's very emotional. Like Abosihle Nduli losing his brother, having to play the game, and the players uniting to show Gutama fans it's not okay to boo one of your own like they did with Moreno. The players standing firm and saying no, we will not tolerate that, especially from one of our own. This is an eye-opening with the recent critics happening in South African football. The nation is divided, but our national team is playing. But asikho lapho. Tomorrow, let's support South Africa. Bafethu in practice i-national anthem ye-Rwanda. Bafethu please buyelani ngapha ekhaya bafana sibaseke abafowethu noma yini eyenzakala okunye kobuye kubonakale. And let's stop criticizing the players. We can banter around, but do not destroy our players. Do not destroy the reputations of teams. I wish all Betway Premiership teams show us the perspective of every player. Like I'm seeing all Golden Arrows are slowly coming to that. I wish Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs could show us the behind the scenes of what's happening at Kaizer Chiefs, what's happening at Mamelodi Sundowns. But kudos to Orlando Pirates media team for showing us that wonderful stories. We saw coach Efunu Sihle Nduli. The players said, no coach, give him 15 more minutes. And then Orlando Pirates came back and won the MTN8 second leg semi-final on penalties against Mamelodi Sundowns. This is just my honest assessment of the YouTube docu-series by Orlando Pirates. The second part is premiering today at 6 p.m. Watch it, and then tomorrow let's support Ibafana bafowethu nawo dade bethu. Let's asibaseke abafowethu. I wish na Ibafana ingasinika nje a documentary nyana after these hectic days. I am Spelo Dlamini, and those are latest regarding Orlando Pirates Bucks Camp. That is available on YouTube. You can go and watch it ngedatha lakho. Ungakhohlwa ungilandela lapha TikTok kusasa ubukele Bafana and support iBetway Premiership ukuze sikhulise ibhola lethu, sithande ibhola. We can banter, but we must not destroy our players and the teams. Follow me on TikTok for more.